Finishing a piece of writing is often harder than starting it, and many writers find themselves stuck somewhere in the middle, unsure how to keep going. This video on how the Domino Effect Writing System helps writers finish introduces a simple yet powerful approach designed to solve that exact problem. Instead of trying to tackle an entire article, script, or book all at once, this system focuses on breaking the process into small, connected steps, like a line of dominoes. Each completed step naturally leads to the next, creating momentum that keeps you moving forward. The idea is straightforward. When you focus on one small action at a time, finishing becomes a natural outcome rather than a stressful goal. The video explains how most writers get stuck because they overwhelm themselves with too many decisions at once. They think about structure, wording, editing, and outcomes all at the same time, which slows down progress and drains motivation. The Domino Effect Writing System removes this pressure by giving you a clear path to follow. You start with one small task, whether it's writing a single paragraph, outlining one section, or capturing one idea. And once that's done, you move to the next. This step-by-step flow builds confidence and eliminates the mental resistance that often leads to procrastination. You'll also learn how this system helps you maintain focus and avoid burnout. By narrowing your attention to one task at a time, you reduce distractions and make writing feel more manageable. Instead of feeling stuck or overwhelmed, you stay engaged and productive. The video highlights how consistency plays a key role in this process, showing that even small, regular efforts can lead to completing large projects over time. Another important aspect covered in the video is the mindset shift required to actually finish what you start. Many writers struggle with perfectionism, constantly revising instead of progressing. The Domino Effect Writing System encourages you to focus on completion first and refinement later. By separating these stages, you allow yourself to move forward without getting stuck in endless edits. This approach not only increases productivity, but also boosts confidence as you begin to see real results. The video also touches on how to recover when momentum slows down. There will be moments when progress feels difficult, but instead of stopping completely, the system teaches you to return to the smallest possible step. Even writing a few lines can restart the chain and bring your focus back. This flexibility makes the method sustainable, especially for writers balancing multiple responsibilities. By the end of this video, you'll understand that finishing your writing doesn't require extreme discipline or long hours. It requires a clear and repeatable system. The Domino Effect Writing System shows you how small, consistent actions can lead to big achievements. With the right mindset and a focus on progress over perfection, you can finally overcome the cycle of unfinished work and start completing your writing projects with confidence.